Did you know your paycheck might be hiding more than just tax deductions? Let's break it down. First, the federal income tax. This is like sharing 10% to 37% of your pizza with Uncle Sam, depending on how big your slice was. Then there's Social Security and Medicare, often called FICA. It's like saving for retirement and healthcare, but taken out automatically. About 7.65% is deducted here. State taxes, that's another slice of your pie. Rates vary widely by state from 0 to nearly 13%. What about health insurance, life insurance, or 401k contributions? These are voluntary deductions that you can control. They're like putting money into savings jars. There's also the often misunderstood FUTA and SUTA federal and state unemployment taxes, which are typically paid by employers but can sometimes reduce your paycheck. These ensure you have some income if laid off. So why does this matter? Well, understanding these deductions can help you plan better and know exactly where your money goes each month. Let's say you're earning $50K annually. In this scenario, after all deductions, the real amount in your pocket could be about 35% less. That's over $17K deducted. Knowing this can empower you to make smarter financial decisions. Remember, understanding your paycheck isn't just about numbers. It's about taking control of your finances and planning for the future. It's crucial to know how much you're really bringing home. Subscribe and learn more financial mechanics that can help you decode where your money goes, not just in paychecks, but across the board.